Okay, the situation is runner on second base. Generally nobody out. Some teams will put the fake bunt slash on, like we would at times. This is how you cover that. So third baseman should be expecting a bunt, okay, up in the cut of the grass. The first baseman should be expecting a bunt up in the cut of the grass. Second baseman should be cheating in, expecting that bunt, and they'll have to cover first. Okay. Shortstop doesn't have a lot of priority right now. He's got to make sure the ball's not hit so he can stay put. As we run the play, generally, a little pause there, so let me reset that. So as we run the play, generally, a team and a fake bunt will show pretty early as they're trying to get the entire field defense to move. So we want to make sure we suspect that if someone does show extremely early in their sacrifice bunt, we still need to honor it. The first baseman can't overcharge on that play, and when we see the batter pull their hands back, we need to obviously stop, and if we have time, even retreat a couple steps. And the first baseman needs to get back to cover his base. Third baseman shouldn't be overcharging this play, obviously, because there's a runner on second. So he's got to stay home, make sure there's no steal. Second baseman might be a little out of position, but needs to stop in his tracks and get ready to field a batted ball. So in this situation, the ball gets hit to the shortstop. Shortstop's base runner at third base there. So everybody's moving, everyone has a job. It's a tough play to defend if executed right by the offense. That's why we do it. That is how you do defend the play. Fake bunt slash.